Well, I don't know if you can hear this, but we're off to a great start tonight. Just had to climb up here from down below on the boat because I snagged my Guggen clutch and was not going to lose that. But now I'm going to go get back on the boat and we're going to get up in the lock.
Green, I got more black. Either way you want. Go ahead. Grandma was just asking if we were going to take a break. She had to run to Sullivan's and then to Walmart.
I think I have one.
Yep.
Oh, he's off.
Oh.
Well, I don't know if you can hear this, but we're off to a great start tonight. Just had to climb up here from down below on the boat because I snagged my Guggen clutch and was not going to lose that. But now I'm going to go get back on the boat and we're going to get up in the lock. Alright, back on the boat. Let's try this again. How about we go on this side so I can cast the way that I'm handed. And not screw us up like that again. Hopefully. That is the goal. Gonna get noisy. Fish on. I smacked the GoPro with it. He's not that big. Oh, whoa, he's all the way up. Hey, I didn't know. I didn't know.
Yeah.
I think he's peeing on me. Hey. He felt like a bigger bite than that, but whatever. I guess I can't complain. Perfect hook set right in the top of the mouth. Check that out. First fish on camera in a while, huh?
You need the pliers?
No, I already got him off.
Oh.
Well, I knew the lock would do something. All right, bye, buddy. How much you want, bass? I catch a bass. Right here. No, ooh, it hit it perfectly.
Shut off.
I think it might have a bite. Is it a big one? Oh my God. I don't know what I have, but it's big. Is it a fish?
No.
Why does it?
He's swimming off somewhere. Unless he got you wrapped up.
I think he got me wrapped up. Going through the tunnel. Actually, I do have a decent bit of battery left. I ain't ever done this before. Ooh, there's a lot of spiders above us. That's scary.
Yep.
Oh boy. Hopefully there's none at the end. Those are some big spiders. Scariest shit I've ever done. Oh, that's a big spider. There's a lot of spiders. Okay, we're there. We did it. Whew.
Oh no, it's on the top of the tower.
That's scary. Oh yeah, he ate it right there. Oh my gosh. There we go. Ate it right in front of me. I saw him take it and I didn't see it anymore, so I knew he didn't miss it. Yoink. Wow. Thanks for hanging out. He's really warm. That's weird. Not that big, but, you know, that was exciting. Bye-bye. Oh, he got me really wet.
You get the camera wet?
All right. I'm gonna cast one more through here. We can end it on a big fish. Or something like that.